guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip and today we're back at it with another Graze box. I'm super excited. I am super hungry. So if you're interested to see what type of healthy snacks that Graze sent over for the month of June, then stay tuned and let's get into this box. So in this box, I get 8 snacks, so let's jump into the first 4. Okay, so the first snack that I'm pulling out, this is called Apple and Carrot Defense Smoothie with Chia. And you get a good dose of vitamin C in here. So there's apple, carrot chews, almonds, raspberry, and chia bite. Okay, that is delicious. Wow. Okay, that is really, really good. Wow. It's a good mixture. It's not overly sweet. And the almonds are plain, so they're not salted or anything. And I feel like that just plain type of taste really dulls down, or it like softens the sweet kick from everything else. But it's not overly sweet, which I just whistled. But it's not overly sweet, which I really, really do appreciate. And that is just a really good snack. But if you have a sweet tooth, but you're trying to like kind of cut it down, that would be a really good one to reach for. Okay, so the second snack, this is called the Sweet Chili Burst. And in here you get a good dose of minerals and vitamins with 6 grams of protein. And you get chili lime cashews and chili honey peanuts. This is bomb, man. This is exceptional. Now this is like a snack that is dangerous to have around the house because you could finish this in one sitting. Like this is so, so good. Wow. This is amazing. Okay, so the taste of this, I'm not getting a lot of like chili, but I'm getting a lot of garlic, which I love. You definitely are getting a honey kick from the chili honey, but I'm getting garlic. I'm not getting a lot of like chili, so I prefer garlic. This is garlic. This is up my alley. The next snack we're trying out, this is the triple berry smoothie. You get a good dose of fiber and it's only 130 calories. And in this snack, you get mini strawberries, blueberries, cranberries, and chewy banana slices. No. Okay. The dried strawberry isn't actually bad. It's pretty good. Pretty tasty. But it's just a whole snack of dried fruit, which personally is not my preference. It's just too much. It's too much dried fruit, you know, like it's just overly dried fruit. I don't like that. So there's nothing to really cut the sweetness. There's nothing like salt or crunch. It's just soft and it's sweet. And it's just a mixture of fruit taste that, I don't know, it's not working for me. But it does say this is a smoothie. I am getting like, if I were going to make a smoothie that had like no greens in it and it was just straight up fruit, that is what this would taste like. And I personally don't like those type of smoothies. I feel like they're just really sweet. So again, I don't have a really big sweet tooth. So that snack would be for the sweet lovers in your household. So definitely Travis will get that one and I feel like he would really enjoy it. The next snack we're trying is the protein peanut butter with pretzel sticks dippers. And you get a good dose of protein, 5 grams, and this is only 130 calories. There's no added sugar, and you basically get peanut butter sauce and pretzel sticks. Okay, so yeah, it's basically peanut butter and pretzels. The pretzels are not salted, so they're very plain, and the peanut butter is also a very like bland taste. It's not the best peanut butter I've ever had. But yeah, this, I don't know, I'm kind of iffy to trust like runny peanut butter because this obviously was shipped from a warehouse. So yeah, I'm just like, I feel like I just don't want to eat more of the liquid peanut butter. Just, I don't know how it's going to sit on my stomach. But the pretzels would be a nice crunchy snack. And again, they're not salted, so you don't have to worry about like that high sodium. But yeah, that snack was okay. It's basically peanut butter and pretzels. Okay, so let's jump into our next set of 4 snacks. And the next snack is called the Wholesome Honey Nuts. And you get a good dose of vitamin and minerals with 6 grams of protein. And in this snack, you get honey drizzled cashews with pumpkin seeds and baked salted peanuts. That's really tasty. Yeah, that's really good. Okay, so this is a really good snack for that cut in the sugar. So if you like something sweet and salty, crunchy, this is it. The honey drizzled cashews are such a good like sweet kick, but the salted peanuts don't make it overly sweet and it kind of balances out. So sweet and salty, savory, this is such a good snack. So yeah, I definitely like that one. And again, that was the Wholesome Honey Nut. Okay, the next one we're trying is the Spicy Sriracha Crunch, and you get a good dose of protein with 6 grams. And let's see, this says that it has sriracha peas, salted peanuts, garlic sesame sticks, and roasted cashews. Whoa, whoa, okay. Yeah, so the sriracha in here, oh my goodness. Okay, so these were the sriracha peas. The spice in that hits you immediately. As soon as it touched my tongue, my body was like, yeah, you need to bounce around. Like, that's spicy. I do like it. It is a nice change of pace from like the sweetness of the rest of the box, so that's nice. So if you definitely like spicy, this would be your snack. Like, yeah, I'm a wimp with spice if you don't already know. But yeah, this was really nice. I did like that it was just only the sriracha peas that were spicy and everything else was trying to like balance out the taste, not make it overly spicy. So that was nice. And the sesame sticks were really a nice additional crunch along with the peanuts. So yeah, so this is a really good snack if you want like a nice heat in the afternoon, a good kick, a punch in the mouth. That would be this snack. Okay. Crap. So the next one we're trying is the sweet and spicy beet crunch. We got another beet one, people. We have another beet snack. So this is a good dose of fiber with 4 grams of protein, and you get beet chips, jalapeno chickpeas, and sunflower seeds. I'll keep an open mind, but you guys know I hate beets, and I actually forgot to go on the website to change my preference. So this is definitely going to remind me to go on the website after this video and change my preference. But yeah, I hate beets. So let's try the chickpeas. Oh. Okay. The chickpeas have a little bit of kick. It's that jalapeno that's in there. Or the snack before the sriracha is still in there. I don't know, but my eyes are starting to water. I don't really want to try this because you know I hate beets. Yeah, no. We're not even going to try. I'm sorry. I'm going to be that person. I hate beets. Okay, so this is, again, another beet snack. I don't like beets. The jalapeno chickpeas in here were good. Had a little bit of kick at the end. The sunflower seeds are fine. They're not salted or anything. But yeah, I just hate beets. And I just don't want to put you guys through another suffer moment having to watch me eat beets. But yeah, that's a no. I don't like beets, but it's okay. I'll change my preference because now I'll remember to. Okay, and the last snack we have in our box, this is the cinnamon oat squares with superfoods. So this is a good source of protein, and you get 2 rolled oat squares baked with cinnamon and superfood chia. Okay, that tastes super good. If you love cinnamon, this is it. Oatmeal, cinnamon, crunchy, soft, delicious. This is a snack. So yeah, I definitely like that. And again, I am very accustomed to their oat squares that they put in their boxes, and so far all of them have been super good. But that one has just a really nice cinnamon kick to it, and I appreciate that. Okay, so that completes my grazing sampler pack for this box. So let's talk about my fails and my favorites. So of course, my number one fail would be the beet crunch. You guys know I just don't like beets, and this just was another moment where I'm like, I should have remembered to change my preferences. So I'm definitely gonna do that in a minute. But yeah, I just don't like beets. I think the next one that kind of failed was this peanut butter with pretzel sticks. I'm just iffy on the peanut butter because it was very watery and runny, and the pretzels were just kind of plain. I kind of wish that they were salted. And then the next fail was the triple berry smoothie. This was just overly sweet for me, and again, I don't have that like sweet craving, so that was just like a eh. But let's talk about my passes and like my favorites and my, oh my gosh, I need more. So a good snack that came across was the Wholesome Honey Nuts. This was a really good grab just for a good mixture for sweet and salty, but still crunchy and savory. So yeah, so this one was a good find in the box. And the next one again would be these cinnamon oat squares. Super good, super cinnamony, super cinnamon flavored, and yeah, very delicious, very soft, and I love that. And I think also a good one that came across were the, what was this? This was the apple and carrot defense smoothie with Chia. Again, this was the first snack we tried out, and it wasn't overly sweet. It definitely had some sweetness to it, but it wasn't killing me, and it also had a lot of other textures, crunchy, soft, savory, so it definitely was a good mix, and I could see myself just reaching for that when I just want to munch on something. So my two top favorites in this box for this month, first would have to be the spicy Sriracha crunch snack. Yes, it kicked me off of my seat, but definitely I feel like this would be a really good snack, like midday, maybe a little bit after lunch when you're just feeling kind of down and you're ready to go. This would just, I just whistled again. This would definitely perk me up just alone from the Sriracha. So yeah, so I really enjoyed that snack, but my top favorite snack out of this box would be the sweet chili burst, again with the cashews and the peanuts, and this definitely has that garlic taste that I just live for, and it was like a garlic rosemary taste almost. And again, you did have some sweet chili peanuts just to offset the too savory. So this was a sweet, savory, garlic, rosemary with a little bit of chili at the end. Oh, this is the die for snack. Like if they're selling this in a big pack, I would definitely just buy a big bag of this and keep it everywhere I go. Okay, so that completes my box for the month of June from Graze Box, and I've left everything in the description box if you're interested about the subscription, and let's get to chatting about the snacks and anything else you'd like to talk about down in the comments, and I'll meet you there. So yeah, that's all I have, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.